Hello guys and welcome back to What is Your Hobby. In today's video, I'm going to show you what tools and materials you need to get started with making miniature polymer clay. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Before you start, always keep a clean towel and a bowl of water beside your table work, as it's important that you knead a clay with clean hands, especially if you're working with colored clay. For a work surface, use something that a clay won't stick to. It can be a parchment paper, tracing paper, or a ceramic tile. And for sculpting, you'll need some fine tip tools like this. You can get yours at sparklebox.com. Check the link in the description. Or you can use simple home tools like nail filers, cotton buds, phone pins, bobby pins, straw, and old clean toothbrush. And apart from having the work surface, I also keep an additional small board or clean tile to shape and design my clay. Some photo frames come with MDF board like this one. You can remove and use it as well, or even the glass of the frame, but use it only if you can sand down the edge to avoid accidents. Here I have MDF wall hanger board, which I use for most of my projects, and I can use this both ways as well. So similarly, you can find alternatives like this and use it for your project. Here comes our most important material. These are oven baked polymer clay. To use it, you'll first have to give it a good knead for some minutes to condition it and design them. Before you pop them into the oven, preheat the oven to 275 to 295 degrees and follow the instructions on the manual of the clay. Not forgetting that clay tends to differ according to the brand, so make sure to read your manuals properly. Also, you'll need rubbing alcohol to clean in case your clay starts to collect dirt while working. You can dip a cotton bud and dab it gently on your artwork. And of course, we need an oven to bake the clay. And that's all the materials you'll need to get started with your clay project. You can get them yours at sparklebox.com. I'll put the link in the description. And also do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like, share, comment and turn your notification bell. For next week, I'll be back with another exciting content for you. Until then, bye!